Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out my new video. Thank you guys so much. Well, anyway, so today we got a new video coming up. It's actually an Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. Yeah, on like a really big bag. So I haven't opened it. I'm very excited to show you guys what I got. We just got it. I actually just freaking got it. And I'm very excited to open it up for you guys. So if you want to see what I have here, please keep watching me. If you're new to my channel, you never heard of me, you never seen me before. I mean, I don't know why you haven't heard of me. I mean, look how cute I am. Take that, Jacqueline Hale. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get more updates on when and why and how I put up a new video. And also follow me on social media. You have the links right here so you can follow me. And don't forget to like this video or dislike, whichever you like. So if you're wondering about this look that I just did, I think you saw it on Instagram. If you're coming from Instagram, thank you. So we got Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and this one it feels very light, very light. I don't know why, but it feels so light. But as you know, Ipsy started this new only for Glam Bag Plus, that you can choose 3 items on this box out of the 5, which is actually really cool because BoxyCharm over there doesn't have this shit. I don't even has an app, but anyway, so Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and now you can choose 3 out of the 5 options that they send you. So which is actually that's really cool. So this is the first one that I got, and also I don't think they're gonna be coming in a box anymore because they actually have a new bag. And we're gonna see, we're gonna check it out. Open it up. Okay, let's see. So here we have the bag. There's nothing inside here. So here you go. Here's the new bag. There's no more boxes, I think. I believe there's no more boxes, but this is a new bag. Look how cute it is. It's pink. I love pink. The Ipsy, it's actually glitter. I like this bag. It's kind of like a to-go bag, like it's pretty cool. It has the Ipsy logo right there. Oh wow, I love this. All right, so let's see the first product right here. So this is an item that I actually picked, and wait, what the fuck? There's only 3 items in this bag. Guys, there's only 3 items. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Guys, there's only 3 items in here. Only 3 items. That's it. The 3 items are actually the stuff that I picked. There's no more. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish the video and then I'm gonna fucking contact Ipsy because fuck this. What the fuck? There's only 3 items on this box. 3 items. Not even a box. It's a fucking bag. Okay. Well, the name of the bag is actually The Future Is Yours, and it's for the August 2020. It says here, look forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow, from achieving your glowing skin goals to discovering what lights you up inside and out. The future is your hand, and with the Glam Bag Plus, that's even more personalized by you, and it looks epic. It's here from 9 to September 3rd. You get to pick 3 items from your box. You choose 3 to full size add up to 8 items of product. Of course, they don't say anything. It just, you know, about the glam. I'm so fucking pissed. I am very mad. I am seriously mad. I'm not kidding. And also there's something new right here. Something about CBD or something like that. I mean, I think there's something new. It says this buzzy new trends may sound like science fiction, but the out of this world glowing will give you something real. Okay, so something else. Okay, whatever. Here are the 30 items that I actually picked. And I'm missing something else, so let's go. I think I'm missing some. Okay, so let's go back to the app, the Ipsy app, and show you what I'm missing. It doesn't work. Look at that, it does not work. Okay. I'm a shit talker. Okay, so here we have the bag, and then okay, so I have that's what I showed. I got the Murad. Okay, so I'm missing the Beautiful Real shadow sticks, which is gonna be right here. Those shadow sticks I'm missing. Oh, okay. So the Mura, actually I didn't pick it. Ipsy picked it for me. So what I'm missing is this, the brush set. So I had, okay, I'm gonna go on to that, but first we're gonna talk about what I'm missing. So the brush set I'm missing, and the shadow dual sticks. I don't really care about the shadow dual sticks. I'm actually gonna put it on the giveaway. So the shadow dual sticks and the brush set, I'm actually gonna add to my giveaway, or just wait until I get them. Okay, so let's talk about the products that I actually picked. So I picked oh my god, okay, I picked this foundation. It's actually the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion in the color medium. I always wanted to try this foundation. I always wanted it because I remember last time I saw their, you know, what they were gonna get. So I saw this foundation. I'm like, I need it, but it kind of looks open. Like the seal looks kind of open right there. But it's on medium. I'm medium natural, so I was a little worried that it was gonna be too dark for me. Ah, this is so cool. So okay, it is my color. Oh, let's see. Yeah, it is. See, it's right there. It is actually my color. And let's get the brush, my sponge, and see, it is my color. Oh, it's actually a really nice color. And I saw this and I'm like, you know what? I want to get this foundation. And I saw that you could actually pick for this foundation. I was like, hell yeah, girl, let's get the foundation. So when I got the notification to pick the 3 items that we could get, I was at work. I was in a rush. I was like, okay, I got the notification. I freaked out because I hear that everything runs out. So I was like, clicking, but I actually didn't see what I was actually clicking, and I was like, oh my god, I fucked up big time. I fucked up. And so for some reason, I don't know why, I got this. So it's actually something for the brow from Wonder Beauty. So let's go to the app, and this is a frame your face precise brow gel in clear. And then I became like a really big fan of Murad. I don't know how you say it, but Perfecting Day Cream with SPF, which is actually really good because it's getting really hot. Now this product, it's a day cream broad spectrum, and I told myself I have too much skincare, but it's okay because Murad products are very expensive and they work really good. So let's see how does the applicator. Okay, so it goes like this, and see, it's actually a really nice cream. You put it on. I put too much, but oh, it smells really nice. It smells like citrusy, and it looks nice on the skin. Look at that glow, baby girl. Look at that glow. But yeah, so then I don't know how much this product is, but I bet you it's expensive. Very expensive. New Illusion Liquid Foundation, and it's on the color medium. Applicator is actually really nice. See that? Very nice applicator. I love applicators like this. Kind of like my my Hard Candy foundation. Very, very nice. So that's it. That's all I got. I only got 3 items. No fucking kidding. This is so bad. Now it's gonna take forever for me to get the other stuff. But you know what? I got my Ipsy before BoxyCharm. I still haven't got tracking for BoxyCharm. I don't know, and not even my my replacement for July, even though I got it. But you know, the one that I'm gonna get, I'm actually gonna give it for a giveaway, and but I don't want to jump in the gun yet because it's actually a surprise. It's a surprise. So there you go. That's it. Those are my 3 items that I got. Such a bummer. Anyway, that's so bad. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, follow me on social media, here are the links. Let me know what you think about the unboxing. Have this ever happened to you? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.